Hey, and welcome back to Lang Speed and Cycle. Today I'm going over the Torin motorcycle jack. I've heard it both ways. 50% love it, 50% hate it. Let's open it up and check it out. Okay. Oh, that shouldn't happen.
Here I find out the mounting holes on the base were drilled and tapped too far apart for me to even mount the jack at all.
It doesn't line up at all. What? That is crazy. Am I doing this wrong?
Nope. I actually returned that one to Fleet Farm and tried another one, and it had the same exact issue. The mounting threads and the holes did not match up. And what's funny, on that little sheet it says, "Stop, do not return this product to the store."
Yeah, I'm definitely just returning it to the store.
The reason I'm recording some audio is because I was so blown away that this did not work out, I was speechless. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember, find them, fix them, and drive them. Thanks for watching.
That does the video for today.